Based on today's price action, let's see whether the trend is bullish or bearish and what happened in intraday, and let's create our plan for tomorrow. In previous session, we planned if there is going to be a gap down, we should look for selling opportunity in the pullback, and I have kept these levels as it is from my previous video because I am going to use these levels. These are the levels I marked, and if there is any gap down, we should look for these levels as a target. I said if you want, you can check the video, you can watch that previous video where I discussed about gap down openings here and here. You can watch that, you will understand what we planned and what happened, and let me explain you what happened. Nifty opened gap down. This is a big gap down. It is an extreme bearishness. After that there is a non-stop up move, and after that it consolidated around this point for a long time. Then there is a breakdown, and then there is a pullback. Here from this point, this is a high and this is a lower high. We should understand based on a price action, it is not able to break the previous high. Then this is a previous support zone which acted as a resistance here and here. This is a lower high point, and around this point, as per our plan, it is working out after 1 p.m. This is around exactly 1 p.m. and from this point it worked out and it went lower non-stop and touched our levels. Our plan is a day's low and this level. Even if you exited at the day's low, that's a good trade for you. And today Nifty formed a trend channel. I posted a video on how to trade trend channels previous week. If you haven't watched it, you can get benefit. And along with pairing these trend channels along with these levels, you can get benefit from these trend channels. It is a non-stop move from this point. I have discussed a lot of important points on how to trade trend channels in that video. Watch that video. I'm going to provide the link in description. After watching this video, watch that video. Okay, I'm going to delete all these levels and we'll mark. Let's go to daily time frame and see what is happening. In previous video also I said Nifty is going to retest this level. It may even go beyond this level, and after that it may close higher. From that point it is going to go higher. This is one of the plans, one of the scenario. And if it breaks and closes below this level, that is another scenario. If it closes above this level, and as of now Nifty closed above this level, and there may be a one more breakdown, and by end of the day it may close higher, and from that point it may go higher. Let's see what is going to happen, and let's create our plan by marking important levels. For tomorrow's trading session, this is going to be an important resistance zone, and this is going to be an important support. I have already marked it from the higher time frame picture. Here I have marked it, and there is a support here as well. This is the level that worked. We marked this in yesterday's video as well. Follow these videos regularly so that you can get benefit out of these levels. And after that, next important support area is this one. If it breaks this level tomorrow, you can watch that level. And next important support area is this one. Okay, these are enough. Let's mark one more level. You should look for this level, closing price, and one more level is this closing price. We have marked the support levels. Let's mark resistance levels. This is one of important resistance level for tomorrow's trading session. Another resistance. There are multiple resistance points. You can consider this as zone. These two levels combined, these two levels, you can consider this as a zone. So I am removing this upper level, and here is one more resistance level. Then this is a major resistance level. These are the levels for tomorrow's trading session, and let's create our plan. And I want to give you one more level as well, important level. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Let's draw a trend line connecting these points. Here it is a first point, second point, and third point. This is also a trend channel, and I have explained this in the video. I'm giving you the link in the description how to trade trend channels. Then here it touched, here it touched. This is a trend channel. Nifty is currently trading in a trend channel. Currently it is around the support level. What is going to happen, if you wanted to know, watch that video. Currently it is trading in a trend channel, and it is confirmed with these touch points. First point, second point, and third point. Tomorrow if Nifty opens inside this range, it is a flat opening. And look for a breakout of this level or this level. If this level breaks, you should aim this as a first target 1, and this as a target 2. If it's not able to break this level, book your profit around this level as well as a second target. If it breaks this level easily, book your target around this point for a second target. After consolidation, if it breaks this level, then this is not going to break because there is a trend line support and there is a major support from multiple days. This level is not going to break. If it's going to break, this is going to change the trend completely, and I am not expecting it is going to break this level. Tomorrow itself, there may be a pullback and it may close higher, but it is not going to close below this level. If it closes below this level, the trend is going to change completely, and if there is any breakdown, this level or this trend line, you can aim this as a first target and this as a second target. This as a first target and second target. That is a plan for flat opening. If it opens gap up above this level, look for pullback towards this level, closing price, and take the entry for a buying opportunity. Then your first target should be here or the day sign, whichever the easiest thing. If it created a bigger day sign, you can aim at day sign, or else you can choose one of these points as a target one, and this should be your second target. That is for gap up opening. If it opens gap down below this level, wait for a pullback towards this level or towards the trend line or the closing price and look for a selling opportunity again, and this should be your first target and this should be your second target. These are the levels, and if it opens below this level, it is going to be extremely bearish. If it opens a gap down below this level, it is going to be extremely bearish. Look for a pullback towards this level, or you can enter the trade in the breakout, and you can aim for this as a target, first target, and this as a second target. If it opens a big gap down, if it opens a gap up above this level or above this level, it is going to be extremely bullish in this scenario. If it gives a pullback towards this level or this level or this level, look for buying opportunity in the pullback and aim this as a first target and the next level as a second target. If it opens anywhere here or here, and I'm expecting a flat opening for tomorrow, I'm not expecting a big gap up or big gap down. Tomorrow we can say flat opening. That's all. This is my plan for tomorrow. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.